We'll guide you through how to share your live location on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So it's really convenient being able to share your live location because then somebody can see exactly where you are and where you're moving to. So perhaps trying to go meet up with somebody, or you're on a journey somewhere and you want them to be able to go and see where you currently are. We'll guide you through this. So to go and get started, you need to go and decide on the chat or group you want to do this in. So for example, I want to do it with this chat here. I'll go and open it up. Once you've opened it up, now you need to head down to the bottom. On an iPhone, you need to go and find the plus. You'll see that over to the left. On an Android, you'll go and see a paperclip icon over to the right. Go and tap on the button which is relevant to you. You then go and get this pop-up and you'll go and see the option for location there, which is what you need to go and tap on like so. Now you go and see where you currently are, and at the bottom you'll see the option for share live location. So what you need to do is go and tap that there like so. Now you can start sharing it for 50 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours, and you can add a caption as well. Remember, after this time expires, you can always go and start sharing it again, and you can also go and stop it early. So choose the one which is going to work best for you. Then you can go and press send in the bottom right and it'll go and be shared. So you can then go and see the location there. If you want to, you can go and press stop sharing or just wait for it to go and expire. I'll press stop sharing like so, and then you can go and confirm a decision and it's then stopped. You can also then go and delete that if you wanted to by tapping and holding it, press delete, then press the trash can icon in the bottom left, and you can then press delete for everyone like so, and it then going to be deleted.